Hi there! This video shows you how to create an application launch page, which is a new feature of iHub 3.1. So if we log into the iHub and navigate to the applications folder, you'll see a lot of subfolders. When you mouse over one of your applications, there's a new menu item called Open Application. Click on that, and up comes your launch page with little images and icons of the reports and dashboards that are in your application. They're actually hyperlinks, and when you click on them, they'll actually execute the reports, and let's make sure they work. So let's see how you create one. In the BIRT Designer Professional, we'll create a new BIRT project, and we'll call it Launch Page. Now it starts off with a new report. We'll get rid of that one because I've already created the report, so we won't be needing this one. Now we're going to create some folders inside our project, and we'll do that quickly. Dashboard, data objects, images, and the folders are now done. The index.html is actually going to be the launch page. By default, it's simply got the word launch page in it, the name of the project. Now I'm going to copy down the reports and dashboards that I've already written into my project. So I'll just drag them down, insert the designs, copy down the dashboard, and also copy down the data object design into my new report. There it is. I'm going to create the data cache file, which is used by the dashboard, and the way you do that is to use the Generate Data Objects menu option when you select the data object design, and it'll create the cache file. There it is. Now with all the items in place, we'll generate the launch page or the index.html. It says there's already one there. Is it okay if I overwrite it? And you say, yeah, that's fine. That was the original one. So we'll say okay to that. And your new index.html is created, plus 2 default image files. That's the dashboard PNG and the report design PNG. We'll repair those later because the default images, as you can see, for a dashboard and the default image for a report are very simple and basic. But we'll fix all of those later with very attractive ones. Let's have a look at the contents of the launch page. Make the screen bigger so we can see a lot of it. On the server, we're now going to create the folder for our application, and we're going to call it Launch Page. And you'll notice that we've created this folder inside of the Applications folder. This identifies it as an application. Back on the Designer, we're now going to publish all of the files up to the server. You've probably used Publish Files previously, but now we're going to use Publish Project, which will upload the entire application, and you select the location on the volume where you want the files to be published and click Publish. All of the files will get zipped and then expanded once they're up on the server. And you'll notice that there is a one-to-one relationship between the workspace and the layout on the volume. If we now open the application, we will get the default launch page. There it is, with the default images, with mouse over capability, and if I click one of these, we should see the report executed. There it is. So the default launch page is correct. In the next, we'll improve the launch page.